Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the new Nano Banana feature inside Circle to Search. And trust me, this is one of the coolest AI tools Google has added in 2025. And then you can literally edit or modify any image right from your screen. No extra apps needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open any photo or image that you want to try this on. In here, I will just open my gallery. And then once you have it open, simply long press the home button or use the circle to search gesture like this. Now you will see the familiar circle to search interface pop up like this. Next, just circle the area or object in your photo or your screen that you want to work with. Like this. And then as soon as you circle it, you will notice a new icon appear. That's the Nano Banana icon, this one. Just tap on it. And then you will see the prompt box appear like this. Just type in what you want to do with your image. For example, like maybe remove the background or turn the photo into a cartoon or any anime style picture or just anything. Just type anything that you want. For example, I will turn this image into a cartoon style. And when you're done, type your prompt. Just tap on generate. And okay, that's it. Your image instantly edited right there without ever leaving your screen. Now, if the Nano Banana icon doesn't show up on your circle to search feature, don't worry, make sure you have updated these two things, Gemini app and all your Google apps from the Play Store. And once everything up to date, just restart your phone and just try it again. And okay, maybe that's it. You can now use Nano Banana inside Circle to Search to edit or enhance any image anywhere and anytime without opening any Spirit app. It's super quick, super smart, and totally futuristic. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!